In this video, I'll show you how to make aesthetic notes in Microsoft Word. This tutorial is designed to be easy, straightforward, and perfect for anyone who wants to create beautiful, organized notes quickly. While you can absolutely start from scratch, the fastest and easiest way to make notes in Microsoft Word is by using the built-in templates. These templates are already professionally designed and will save you a lot of time while giving your notes a clean and polished look. To access the templates, open Microsoft Word and click File at the top left corner of the screen. From there, select New. In the search bar, type Notes and press Enter. Microsoft Word will display a wide variety of note templates that you can explore. Take your time to scroll through the options and find the one that best suits your needs and style. Once you've decided on a template, click on it, then click Create. The template will open in a new document, ready for you to customize. From here, you can edit the text, change colors, fonts, or add additional sections depending on your preferences. The templates are fully editable, allowing you to make your notes truly your own. That's it. Creating aesthetic notes in Microsoft Word is that simple. Using templates not only saves time but also helps your notes look organized, professional, and visually appealing. Whether you're preparing study materials, work notes, or personal journals, this method makes the process fast and effortless. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.